In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily lock WhatsApp application on an iPhone and on an Android with the Face ID or Fingerprint. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So guys, let's get started. And on an iPhone, first off, we need to open up WhatsApp app, then tap right here at Settings. Then get into Privacy, and then scroll down to the very bottom where we can easily find the Screen Lock. Once we get into Screen Lock, we can easily turn on the toggle next to Require Face ID, and when that option is enabled, you'll need to use Face ID to unlock WhatsApp. Now it says WhatsApp locked, and once it detects my face, it unlocks it immediately. I'm going to show you how it works. Now to open up WhatsApp app, it uses my Face ID to identify that it's me, and then I can continue using WhatsApp. I can have a conversation with any user, and once we just try to hop out WhatsApp, it says that WhatsApp app is locked. On an Android device, we can use our fingerprint to unlock WhatsApp app. To do that, we need to open up the app. After that, tap right here at three dots and then get into Settings. On Settings, tap at Privacy, and then scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find Fingerprint Lock. And that's where we can activate the option which is called Unlock with Fingerprint. To activate it, we need to tap right here at that button. After that, we need to use our finger to confirm it with our fingerprint, and that's where also we can configure automatically lock feature. We can set it to immediately, after 1 minute, or after 30 minutes. I'm going to use immediately. After that, if we close WhatsApp app and if we try to open it up, it will ask us to use fingerprint to continue. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.